Cardano ADA has seen a brilliant run up with the rest of the market, but is meeting some resistance right here and could be seeing some sell pressure soon. Let's talk about where I think Cardano is going next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Right now, I'm taking you to the tradeconfident.io website and scrolling down to find the Cardano metrics. First up is the emotional index here, and we can see that as the price has risen, the emotional index has gone into greedy, and as the price has fallen, we're back into excited territory. Now, in general, these areas, these green areas right here, is where we're looking for the price to drop. And we can see every time it's happened in the past, as we've peaked in the green areas, it correlates to a move down in price. So I don't expect this to be any different. Overall, this chart shows me bearish for Cardano today. Next up, I wanted to show you the Cardano long versus short trades, and we can see here that long trades are still far above short trade volume for Cardano. This in the long term will absolutely be bullish for Cardano, but again, that is the long term. Right now, we need to look at the short term, and that's where the Cardano smart money metric is going to help right here. As prices run up like this, whales become more and more likely to short the market. And these bars, especially down here around the $600 or negative $600 mark, that's showing that a drop down is likely because whales are more and more likely to put short trades in the market, pushing the price down. Right now, the Cardano volatility breakout detector is showing high volatility on these charts. What this means to me is, of course, with the massive price movement up, this is going to read high volatility, but after high volatility comes periods of low volatility. You can see right here, high volatility ended with a fairly sideways market. High volatility ended with a sideways market. So it's very possible we are going to be seeing some sideways market soon once this price corrects. Now, we just upgraded this metric on Friday. What this upgrade does is whenever the price is above a line, it turns green. Whenever it's below a line, it turns red. And this makes it very easy to identify which are brand new supports and which are brand new resistances. Now, the price has blasted past this major area right here of structure, at the time resistance, but now it's support. I'm calling this the roughly like 30 to 32 cent area. You can see this zone right here, though, has been blasted past. This 30-ish cent level is now structure support. And at this point, structure resistance can be found at 42.39 cents to around 44 cents right about here. Last but not least is the daily trade scanner. Now, if you watched my video earlier today, I did say that we have multiple sell and strong sell signals. We just got this strong sell on Cardano, and that's very exciting to see, especially as we pushed up into and were rejected by this short trade liquidity pool and red resistance line. Most often, these strong sells, especially when there's confluence between other metrics like up here, will result in a price move down. While right now I can give you the information that we do have strong sell signals, I won't be able to keep you updated on Cardano for some time, at least into next week. So if you want to keep track of Cardano and you want to see this trade happen, be sure to grab a membership at the link in the description below for yourself. I'll give you more information on that later. However, let's take a look at the live charts. Right now, I'm looking at Cardano USD on the 1-day time frame up here, and right off the bat, we can see that the price versus while money flow is high and ticking down, and the trend exhaustion has absolutely topped out and ticked down with a strong sell signal here. Now, these three, this is the absolute most bearish signal you can possibly get with our indicators. If you see a strong sell with the price versus while money flow high and the trend exhaustion absolutely completely topped out on our charts, this is where we are very extremely highly likely to see moves down in the market. It really doesn't get more clear than this, guys. If you see this happen, this is most likely where we are going to see that move down. Now, if you remember from the structure support and resistance metric, we have really strong structure support right here at 32.39 cents. What this tells me is as this price drops, this will very likely be the first one we test. I did also say that the lowest structure resistance that's extremely relevant right now is 29.5 cents right about here. However, if you saw my Bitcoin video earlier this morning, you'll know that a short squeeze from whales is possible. Whales are the market makers, and if they decide the price is going to go up, it could cause another short squeeze and push the price of Cardano up to 42.56 cents right here at this structure bottom at that time. However, I do think a move down to either this or this structure support at 32.93 cents or 29.56 cents. Those structure supports are what I'm going to be looking at for the next week or so for Cardano. Now, if you want to get access to these metrics, you can find them at the link in the description below. Once you click it, it'll bring you to the indicator page right here. The best possible deal is to purchase the Pro Trader Bundle Pack. It's our #1 seller and includes all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators, including the TC Top and Bottom Finder, trend exhaustion, and price versus whale money flow indicators. Checkout link is here, and you get lifetime access for a one-time payment with all source code included. So be sure to grab these indicators as soon as you can if you want to stay updated. However, if you want a more laid back approach to trading, you want us to do all the work for you, be sure to check out the membership again at the link in the description below. It'll bring you to our homepage where you can move up to subscribe, put in your name and email, and scroll down to choose the level of access you want. Basic access for $29 a month gives you access to 10 of our tokens, as well as the daily trade scanner and macro metrics, community chat, masterclass, Telegram channel, and dedicated email support. Full access for $59 a month gets you all of the basic access plus 20 total tokens, as well as access to our trader EQ, Zoom coaching every single month, quality trade setups, which there is a ton of today. So if you want to get access to those, full access membership in the link below, or the Morning Brew overview. This Morning Brew overview is where we're going to be doing all the work for you, so let me show you how that works. The Morning Brew overview is where you get to drink your coffee and read through the most crucial news, trade signals, and coin performance in one spot on Monday through Friday. This blurred out portion right here is today, and it has so many sell signals. It's really important. If you want to get access, again, grab the membership. But I will show you Friday's signal with the top performing and worst performing coins, crucial news, and all trade signals you could possibly need from Trade Confident metrics. Grab all of this at the links in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.